Understanding the truth behind money. Money is any commodity or verifiable record that is generally recognized as payment for goods and services, as well as the repayment of debts, such as taxes, in a specific country or socio-economic environment. Money serves four primary purposes: 1. A medium of exchange. 2. A unit of account. 3. A store of value. 4. A deferred payment standard. Any item or verifiable record that performs these functions can be defined as money. Understanding money. The term currency refers to money. In terms of economics, each government has its own money system. Cryptocurrencies are also being developed for funding and foreign exchange all across the world. Money is a liquid asset that is utilized for transaction settlement. Its value is widely accepted both within a governmental economy and across international borders via foreign exchange. The resources used in the manufacturing of monetary currency do not always determine its current value. Value is instead created by the willingness to accept and rely on a demonstrated value in future interactions. Money's primary purpose is to serve as a universally recognized medium of exchange that people and economies around the world intend to keep and accept as payment for current and future transactions. Economic money systems were established for the purpose of trading. In a market, the use of money as a medium of exchange provides a centralized means of buying and selling. This was created to eliminate the need for bartering. The use of monetary currency contributes in the establishment of a system for overcoming the need for two things at the same time. The double coincidence of desires is a common challenge in a barter system, where one side must have something that the other wants in order to deal. This problem can be avoided if all parties use and accept a monetary currency that they agree on. To be most useful as money, a currency must be fungible, durable, portable, and recognizable. Key takeaways: money is a centralized medium of exchange that is widely recognized, accepted, and employed in an economy to facilitate commodity and service transactional trade. When you utilize money instead of bartering, you won't have to worry about the double coincidence of wants that can occur. Each government has its own money system, which is defined and regulated centrally. Cryptocurrencies are a new type of currency that can be traded internationally